Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I am Frank here, Woodzman Adventures. I am off out here in the mountains on the military base here in southern Arizona. I'm actually going to try to get out of here. This is like extremely rough. I've made it this far and I was going to go on up, but it gets bad. And by myself, I enjoy the off-road and the real rough stuff, but I can't be stupid either. You got to use common sense out here. It wouldn't be a good place to get hurt. And this is going to be a challenge right here, probably going back down, because I know it don't look steep, but this is really steep. Steep, and it's not just steep, it's steep and stupid rocks. So I just kind of let it go to get turned, so I don't step in a hole. And well, you know what it is if you rode off-road and you're on a tall bike like this and you step in a hole, well, the hole's too deep and you can't reach the ground. So, holy cow. Yeah, this is a workout here. But I come up here today not intending to ride on the base. I was just going through, but I saw on the Garmin Tread 2 this trail. I thought I'd try it, and I really want to do it, but I just don't want to do it by myself and get hurt. And really, I don't know. There's a couple people I ride with. You gotta be careful who you take riding, because a lot of people just can't do it, or could get potentially injured, and I don't want to do that with somebody. So that's kind of two things against me there. So we'll go someday. Whew, it is nice, 77 degrees. It's actually getting pretty warm. But I can tell you, this MSR gear, with all this is all mesh. All the way under the sleeves, all the way down to where you tuck them in. This gear is amazing. These pants are the same way. The MSR Legend pants and jersey. I do have a link in the description, but man, go check those out, guys. If you want some good gear, don't be buying the motocross gear like I've always done. I always just thought, get dirt bike gear, get motocross gear. No, there's a huge difference in the off-road stuff like this MSR Legend gear. It is, they really thought this out. Those guys at Rocky Mountain ATV, MC, they ride. So when you buy products off them, then it's something that's been thought out, because it's thought out by riders, people that get out and they do this stuff. They know what's going to be good, not just a company that makes gear or makes different products. They actually use it. And they did a well thought out job on this Legend pants and jersey. It's the good stuff. I like it. I don't know how else to say it, but it's really good stuff. But check out the link in the description, guys. I also have a video of it too. If you just do a search for Woodzman MSR, you'll see my video. Oh, it's getting better down here. Well, I thought. Let's stand up. Old David Lee Roth had a song, "Stand Up." The more you do it, the less you fall down. There's some truth to that. When you're in the real rough stuff, you're better off to stand up instead of sitting down, because the less you'll fall down. That was 80s music, if you guys remember it. Comment below. Also, comment below what gear you wear, and what do you think about this off-road gear. Have you got the MSR gear? Comment about that too. Whew. On my way up through here, I saw what looked like a deer hunter, but I'm not sure if they allow deer hunting on the base. But he was wearing orange like a deer hunter. I didn't see a gun on him actually, so maybe not. I went quite a ways up in here, really. And it's uphill all the way. It just gets steeper and steeper the further you go. This is a beautiful canyon up in here too. It's like, it's not mesquite. It's all oak trees. Oak trees everywhere up in here. I'm surprised I haven't seen a deer. So I've not done a whole lot of riding around on the military base. I've done a few times, different things, but I've not found a whole lot. I just know that a lot of it gets extremely rough. The guys go up in there on side-by-sides, up those mountain hill climbs, and man, they just chew it up so bad that it makes it really difficult on a dual sport. See that car down there, so that hunter may be still down here. He drove a car up in here. Well, that's one thing I knew, is because he's driving that car, he's not going to go on up. Well, it's a Jeep Cherokee. You might think they're off-road, but them newer ones, they ain't much off-road to those. See it sitting over there. But the guy in the orange was standing out here behind it earlier. I don't see him now. He may have walked off up into the trees. He probably sees me. Whew. Stand up, smoothing that out a little bit. So what I'm recording on, a lot of people ask when they see my videos, and if I don't mention it, then they ask. So what I'm recording on today is the DJI Osmo Action 6. And my microphone is the DJI Mic 3. So I just got it on a magnet stuck down inside my mouth part of my helmet, which works really good. And up here in front, this camera is my DJI Osmo 360. And I've been so happy with the DJI stuff. I'll never have another piece of junk GoPro again. I've been through that for years of that junk, and those days are over. You couldn't pay me to use one of them. I don't care if GoPro wanted to sponsor me, I'll stick with the DJI, so whatever. I mean, what good's a free camera if it's always getting hot and shutting off or something wrong all the time? And I can tell you one thing, the DJI cameras, the 6, the 5s, the Osmo 360, the Mic Mini, anything DJI, my drones have never one time in the, probably how long I've been using them, maybe a year or two now, I've been using the DJI cameras. Never one time has ever failed or ever locked up, ever overheated and stopped recording, not one time. It's always just worked and always worked good. I guess, whoa, that's some soft sand. I guess we'll go this way and look. I don't know if it goes anywhere, I'm gonna back out. Goes back down to where I was at pretty much. But back to the road. But that's fine. We'll check this part out anyway. I ain't been on it, so. So there's a cemetery right over there on the base. Look at the base. You can see a lot of it from here. It's pretty wild. Pretty good size, I guess. Of course, I don't know what a big military base is, but Fort Huachuca. So I guess we'll go back down this way. Back out the road out of here. It is crazy. I looked at the forecast and the weather for the next 15 days as far as it shows on our forecast. But anyway, it's 70s and upper 70s 15 days straight. 0 chance of rain. So the weather here in southern Arizona, for being December 19th or whatever it is, December 19th. In Missouri, I guarantee you it's cold right now. But it is amazing here. Okay, here we are. Back on this road. Canelo Road. It goes to the west gate. So if you're a West End boy, East End girls are back that way, West End boys are this way. Then this is the way you go. Buffalo Corral, 6 miles. You're entering explosive storage area. It's like that sign back over there. Oh, look at the mountains out across there. That's one thing about where I live now in Arizona. You can't just go outside and look in any direction and not see mountains. They're just 360 mountains everywhere. From my front yard, my backyard, it's mountains everywhere. You just spin a circle and it's mountains everywhere. There's a whole bunch of solar panels way over there. It's actually pretty nice here on the base. They got a rodeo grounds out here too. Wren Arena. W-R-E-N. It kind of looks like a quarry there. It used to be a quarry. And not a very big one, but that's where they've dug some rock out there. I don't know, but if that's a hill climb over there, it's probably one of the stupidest ones I ever seen. I'm not going that way. Praise the Lord. Okay guys, so I'm going to get off here in this video here. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Check out my links on the gear below, my camera equipment, all that stuff. Everything's below that I use for my videos. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.